Everything you need for vlogging in one convenient carry case. That's right, it's all in here. Right then, here we are, we're out vlogging with the Uskey Vision vlogging kit. We've got the microphone on the top plugged in via a lightning to 3.5mm adapter on the iPhone 13 Pro, using that wide angle, taking advantage of that wide angle on the iPhone 13 Pro because it's just sick. You don't have to stretch your arm out so far, you can just sort of hold it in front of you and you've got a nice, really nice wide image. Also, you've got that sensor shift stabilisation on the iPhone 13 Pro. Couple that with the really nice audio and the awesome tripod, so you can put it anywhere and you can get like a time lapse if you want to. There's not much to really take a time lapse off tonight. It's a bit misty. I've come up here to try and take some photos. This is my secret vlogging location. Don't tell anybody. It's a secret between me and you. So what do you get in the kit? First of all, you've got this really nice tripod which has a phone mount on here, so we open that like so and it stretches and you can use it in for all different phone sizes. What I forgot to mention in the test that I just did is that this thing is extendable as well, so you can just simply pull it out. It's got this telepod design, so maybe you don't need that wide angle. After all, you can use a normal angle and it reaches out like that. So I negated to mention that, but it has got that telepod extension as well. This just gets better. In here as well, for darker scenarios, you've got this light. Now the light turns on like so. It is charged by USB-C, which is really good, and it has got a cold shoe on the top as well there. So on the mobile holder you've got a cold shoe, so we can get this on there, and then on the top of there you can put the microphone. So there's a couple of options here. We've got the nice microphone. This is all metal design. This is very nice, similar to sort of the Godox one or the Rode Video Micro. We'll test the quality in the video in just a second, but it comes with this really big, nice, fluffy dead cat as well to stop all that wind noise. So that slides in there like so. Then we've got a shock mount as well. We'll fit the shock mount on there as well, so you're gonna get no wobbling around, and then that will go on top of the light like so. If you want to put it on the side, you can do. We've got some 1/4" mounts on the side there. You will have to buy an extra cold shoe mount with a 1/4" thread on the bottom, so we can just sort of screw this on, screw that onto there like so, and then you could put the microphone on the side if you so wish to, like that. I'm getting all tangled up. This phone holder does come off here, so you can use it as a normal tripod, in which case you can add different cameras on it. You can add GoPro on it or a normal micro compact camera, and then it comes with two leads, TRS and TRS, one for mobile devices and one for cameras, so you're covered on both bases there as well. Also, you've got a Bluetooth remote, which is a nice touch, connects via Bluetooth to your phone, then you can press record from here on the front here, instead of having to reach round and press record on your phone. You've got it right there. So in this nice convenient little pouch comes the GoPro mount, so they include a GoPro mount, which is cool. You've got a smaller pop filter for the microphone if you don't want the big dead cat on there, and you've got the USB-A to USB-C charging lead to charge the light. It comes packed with accessories, which is amazing, because in this one convenient little case you've got everything you need for vlogging, or even if you're not a vlogger, if you don't want to be the next Casey Neistat, this is a really good setup just for mobile video work. Anything you record in family parties or anything, it's nice to have a cool little setup here with really good audio connected as well. You know what, I've just looked back at a bit of the footage and what I've recorded previously, and it sounds and looks pretty good actually. There's this torn competition between iPhones, GoPros, other action cameras, handheld compact cameras like the RX100. Which one is best for vlogging? What is the camera that is going to be the one that you can use all the time? And because they say the camera that's you've got in your pocket is the best camera you've got, most people have got phones. If you grab one of these kits, so you've got a decent external audio, you've got the tripod, you've got the Bluetooth remote, you've got the holder, I don't know if you can beat that for vlogging in this day and age. How good the phones are these days is just phenomenal. So is this the perfect vlogging setup? I'd be interested to hear from you in the comments down below what you think. Let me know what you prefer to use if you do vlog, no, or even if you just do the odd bit of family recording at parties and stuff like that. What do you prefer to use? Because I really do think this setup is really hard to beat. Right, let's talk price, because when it comes to vlogging, you're thinking about vlogging, you need a camera, you've got your phone, fair enough. Then you need a tripod. You could grab something like this from a Lanza. You're talking £25 for a tripod like this. This is one of my favourite ones, but it's not better than this one. So 25, you can get the Joby microphone here, which is about £70. That's probably one of the standard small microphones on the market, so about £50 to £70 for that. Then you need a light, and this is probably one of the best ones you can buy from Joby, the BMO Mini, and it's about £60 in the UK as well. So all in all, 160 for the basic vlogging kit that you would buy if you bought all of these things separately. The one convenient box, the one we've just talked about, $69.99, and you get all of those things in the box. So all in all, it's a good package. Is it the best stuff you can buy on the market? No, it's not. But for the money you're paying for $69.99, this is a real steal and a really good package for somebody who's starting out with mobile video work or vlogging. You can't go wrong with this package. We are nothing but honest on this channel. If there's something wrong or there's a few drawbacks to a tech product, I will tell you about it. I'm not going to say it's good if it's not. Generally, this is a brilliant setup for the price, for the money. Brilliant. One drawback, because it's a mobile vlogging setup, generally you need a adapter. In this case, for the microphone on the iPhone 13 Pro, we need a lightning to 3.5mm adapter. Easy for you to say. That's not in the kit, which is a bit disappointing. It would be the same with something like the Samsung S22, which is coming out soon. I don't think there's a 3.5mm jack on many modern smartphones, so you're going to need some sort of USB-C adapter for that one. That doesn't come in the kit. That would be nice just to have it if it was like a complete kit and there was everything there for vlogging that you needed with a mobile device. You'd need an adapter, so that is probably something you're going to have to purchase separately. And one more thing, the microphone did have a little bit of an interference on it from the mobile phone. That is probably going to happen with most microphones. It's not a microphone problem from Uskey Vision. If your cellular data is on, you're going to get that mobile interference on microphones whilst vlogging with the phone. So you might have to turn that off while you're recording so you get that nice crispy audio. On a positive note, the audio sounds pretty good from this cheap microphone. I'm really impressed with it. It's sort of comparable to the Rode Video Micro, which is, like I said earlier in the introduction, a lot more expensive. Okay, that's it for this video though. Take it easy. I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you do subscribe if you haven't already. Press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. If you want to grab one of these kits, it is an affiliate link down in the description below. $69.99 in the UK. Going to be similar in dollars. It's a bargain. It's hard to argue with, to be honest with you. So there we go. Until next time, see you soon. Bye guys. I've got to get away from these sheep and off this hill. Let's go.